This is a demonstration showing you how to use Markncut transfer sheets to cut out electrical outlets out of drywall. With our system, with the Markncut system, there's no need for a homeowner to go and buy or use expensive rotary cutting tools. Cutouts could be done using a basic utility knife and a keyhole saw. There's no need to measure. All you do with our system is peel one of our transfer sheets, stick it right onto the box that you want to cut out, place the drywall in your installation position right over your switch box. Using a rubber mallet, you're going to apply pressure and tap. The mark transfers on the back side of the drywall, giving you a clear cutting template. Now, all you do with a utility knife, you can use a straight edge, but if you have a steady hand, all you do is trace the outer edge of the red template. Now, using the keyhole saw, you want to connect all the corners and you want to make an X. Alright, you start from the middle. Alright? Your bottom left corner, then flip the saw up, go to the top corner. Then you want to connect the two other corners. Then turn it up again, go to your top corner, your left corner. Now, when you flip the sheet over, you'll have an X. Alright? Using your utility knife, you're going to connect all four corners. You could use a straight edge, but if you have a steady hand, like I said, just connect the corners. It's real easy. No need to use a measuring tape. Okay, now that you did that, all you do is put it in. Right? If you want, you can clean this up, but it's pretty clean. Remove your transfer sheet, and this could be used again on another outlet box, and install a perfect cutout every time. It's that easy.